Good afternoon, dear children. Today we are going to start chapter 2 of your computer book, Objects in Word 2016. Okay, this chapter is very interesting. It will help you to understand how you can use different text styling features in MS Word. Okay, in this chapter we will study how to insert word art, how to insert text box, how to insert shapes, insert pictures, wrap text and position. These topics we are going to study. So let's start. Okay, if you are working in Windows 10, you can type MS Word here and you can open MS Word for you like this here. Okay, but if you are working in any other Windows 7, you have to go to start button and then you have to click on Microsoft Office and then you have to open Microsoft Word. Okay, I have already opened Microsoft Word for you. So this is the Word screen, and in this chapter we are going to discuss mainly the insert menu options. So let's start. Click on insert and click on word art. Okay, when you click on this option you will see different ready-made styles which are available here. You can select any one style which you want. Suppose this style I have selected and type your text here. And press OK. If you want to change its size, by pressing and holding the left mouse button, you can increase the size of the word art both horizontally as well as vertically. Okay, so this is how you can have a text written in a ready-made style option which is available through word art. Okay, if you want you can do multiple changes to it. Just put your mouse pointer anywhere on this and right click and go to format word art option, and format word art option you can see color. If you want to change, you want to appear it in yellow color, you can change its color. Okay, transparency you can increase or decrease, like, okay, you can see that how easy it is to change the color of a word art. Okay, you can even increase or decrease the spacing, like you can notice the some change here, loose style, or if you want, okay, that the characters will have spacing according to the option which you will select. Okay, let's have normal spacing. Now in this way you can use word art option. Now let's move to the next option. You can insert a text box, like here you can insert a text box. Text box is, you can see that in middle of the document, if you want to insert any important point, like in your book, you can see that this is a text box. In middle of the chapter, in between the chapter, if I want to highlight some important points, so I can use text box, and text box can be easily inserted from insert text box option. Okay, you can you can increase or decrease the size of this text box, and you can type your text whatever you want to. Like in your English books, you must have seen that at the bottom a yellow color text box appears in which the meanings of the words are written. For example, I am writing here some meanings. Okay, like you can make it move, you can make it appear anywhere in your document. I want it to appear here. You want, if you want, you can change by going to the home option. You can make it bold, you can increase the size or decrease the size, whatever you want to do. Okay, you can even increase the font size. Okay, like this. Now the next option which we are going to discuss is here, inserting shapes. Go to insert option, click on the shapes button, and you can insert a shape. When you click on the shape button and select a shape, your mouse pointer will change to a plus sign. You can see it here that the mouse pointer has been changed to a plus sign. Now by dragging and dropping, by pressing and holding the left mouse button, you can draw a shape. You can fill color in it. It is very simple. Now insert more shapes. Like this. 3 shapes. Let's see. Let's suppose I have inserted. Now I want to change their order. I want to bring this smiley shape in front and I want to send it back. Send this shape, the crescent moon shape, at the back. So just click on this shape and right click over here and go to order button. Click order option and click on bring forward. You can see that this smiley shape has come in front. Okay, now if I want to send this crescent moon shape at the back, select this shape, right click, go to order and send backward. Okay, so like in this way you can change the order if you are working with multiple shapes. Okay, now you can also insert pictures from clip art. Clip art is the storehouse of ready-made pictures. Okay, when you click on this clip art button, a box will appear on the right hand side, and suppose anything related to computer, you want to search any image related to computer, press the required keyword here, and if this is not available, like this, and when you click on this shape in this picture, you will get it into your document like this. And if you want, you can increase the size or decrease the size of the image by dragging these corner handles. Okay, so this is how shapes, ready-made pictures from clip art can be inserted. And finally, text wrapping feature. Dear students, let me explain you this. Suppose you are typing something in MS Word. You are typing some text over here. Okay, now you must have observed that when the line here ends, the word automatically moves to the next line, the complete word. Like I'm typing here